Have you ever pondered the security of space? Not just the physical threats to astronauts or satellites, but the invisible, abstract threats that lurk in the cyber realm? As we delve deeper into the cosmos, it's becoming increasingly clear that cybersecurity is as crucial to space missions as rocket fuel. Imagine, if you will, the dire consequences if critical space infrastructure like satellites and communication systems fell prey to cyber threats. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? So, how do we safeguard these astronomical assets? How does NASA, the world's premier space agency, shield its invaluable infrastructure from these silent, unseen adversaries? What are the measures in place to ensure the integrity of the data being transmitted across the vast expanse of space? The solution isn't as far-fetched as you might think. The answer lies in the innovative application of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned as we delve into how AI is revolutionizing space cybersecurity. NASA, a pioneer in space exploration, has also become a trailblazer in the realm of cybersecurity. At the heart of this transformation lies artificial intelligence. NASA leverages AI to safeguard its vast network of satellites and communication systems from potential cyber attacks. But how exactly does this work? Well, think of AI as NASA's virtual sentinel, ceaselessly scanning the digital horizon for threats. It sifts through mountains of data, identifying suspicious patterns that might signify a looming cyber attack. This vigilant watchdog doesn't just react to threats, it predicts them, learning from each encounter and adjusting its defenses accordingly. The sheer volume of data involved in space missions is mind-boggling. Here, AI's ability to process and analyze data at lightning speed comes into play, making it an indispensable tool in NASA's cybersecurity arsenal. Through AI, NASA has revolutionized not just space exploration but also space cybersecurity. So, what can we learn from NASA's approach to space cybersecurity? Firstly, we realize the immense significance of cybersecurity, especially when it comes to space technology. Threats to critical infrastructure such as satellites and communication systems are not limited to Earth. They extend far beyond into the vast expanse of space, making their protection a priority. Secondly, we see the pivotal role artificial intelligence plays in countering these threats. NASA's use of AI-based solutions to protect its infrastructure is not just innovative, but also highly effective. The AI systems are capable of detecting and mitigating potential security threats before they can cause serious damage. Lastly, the potential applications of AI in enhancing security measures are not confined to the space industry. They can be extended to other sectors as well, making AI a universal tool for cybersecurity. As we venture further into the final frontier, one thing is certain: cybersecurity will play an essential role in ensuring our journey is not just successful but secure.